In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a video in Adobe Express. Let's start by opening your project in the editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with creative tools. Click Music. This is where all your audio options live. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the video workspace and your timeline is visible at the bottom. The music panel gives you access to built-in tracks and the option to bring in your own audio. Now, you have two ways to choose music. You can browse the Adobe stock library to find a track that fits your mood. Genres like upbeat, cinematic, or ambient are great starting points. Hovering over a track usually lets you preview it before committing, which helps you quickly test the vibe against your visuals. If you already have a soundtrack you love, click Upload and select your audio file from your computer. Common formats like MP3, WAV, or M4A work well, and higher quality files generally sound cleaner in the final video. Once you've found the right track, simply click it to add it to your video. Adobe Express will place the audio onto your timeline, often spanning the length of your project. If your music is longer than the video, don't worry, you can trim or reposition it as needed. If it's shorter, you can loop or choose a different section to feature. The goal is to match the music to the story you're telling. Next, fine-tune the sound so it complements your visuals. Start by adjusting the volume. Background music should support your content, not overpower it. Use the volume slider to bring it down if there's dialogue or a voiceover. If your video is purely visual, you can keep it a little louder for energy and presence. Add a fade in at the beginning so the music enters smoothly, avoiding sudden starts that can feel jarring. At the end, apply a fade out to create a clean, professional finish. For timing, drag the edges of the audio clip to control where it starts and stops, and move the clip along the timeline to sync with key moments, like transitions, on-screen text, or a reveal. Listen back and make small adjustments until the pacing feels natural. When everything sounds balanced and aligned, play your video from the start to double-check there are no abrupt cuts or volume spikes. With these simple tweaks, your video will feel more polished, engaging, and cohesive.